When it comes to organizing your own things, it takes more than a little motivation to get through the whole project from start to finish. My name is Shay. I'm a certified professional organizer and the co-founder of Mission to Organize. Our clients will oftentimes say to us, you know what, I probably could have done this organizing project by myself, but let's be honest, it's been X amount of days, months, or years sometimes, and I just haven't gotten it done. Now, this statement doesn't speak to their desire to get the project done or even their ability to organize themselves. What it does speak to is their motivation level. Well, when they bring in our enthusiastic team, we bring with us our theoretical pom-poms. We're ready to get the project done, and honestly, whether you hire us or not, we are your organizing cheerleaders. Stay tuned, and we're going to give you some tips on how you can get through your next organizing project with a lot of motivation. Changing your mindset is one of the most powerful tools that you can use to motivate yourself. After all, if you deem something that you're attempting to do to be a drag, well, it's probably gonna be a drag. However, you can find positivity in just about anything. Learn to be your own cheerleader. Don't be shy to give yourself a little pat on the back, tell yourself how capable and awesome you are. And we have also found that music is probably the #1 mood adjuster. Create a playlist of energetic tunes that you love, that make you happy, and go ahead and get organized. Think about the reason that you want to get organized. What exactly is your end goal? For example, do you want to organize your closet so that you can get dressed more easily, so that you can dress more professionally at work, and so you can get the next big promotion? Write your end goal on a sticky note and refer back to it often. Visualize what it will be like when you have that promotion and the raise that comes along with it. Imagine what your life is going to be like and what you're going to feel like once you accomplish your goal. Feels pretty good, doesn't it? Get your blood flowing. When you find it hard to motivate yourself, step outside, get some fresh air, and take a short walk. If you're lucky enough to live along the beach, take a stroll along the water. Or you can stay inside, stretch your muscles, or lift some free weights. All of these things get your endorphins flowing. This raises your energy, and once the energy swells, you can ride the wave and use that stamina towards your organizing project. Like most of us, do you find it hard to hold yourself accountable? Well, enlist someone who can help you stay on the track towards accomplishing your organizing goals. Choose a friend, family member, or even a networking acquaintance who can lift you up in the times when you've fallen behind and who will champion you once you've triumphed. It's important to choose somebody who's enthusiastic and motivated themselves, as they are uniquely situated to support you in your endeavors. And just maybe there's a way that you can support them in return. Organizing is one of my favorite things to do, but maybe it's not yours. So what is your favorite thing to do? Reward yourself after accomplishing a big goal, like clearing off your desk or putting away all of your laundry. Maybe you'll decide to sit down and watch reruns of your favorite sitcom, cuddle with your cat, or spend 20 minutes playing your favorite video game. Notice that I didn't mention anything about purchasing something that could be considered clutter. Stick with things that are experiential or edible items, like an ice cream cone. This is a technique that works really well with kids, so why not use it to treat yourself? There are so many inspirational figures out on the internet. Think about Tony Robbins, Marie Forleo, and Mission to Organize. All of these leaders have created a lot of great content, which is specifically designed to motivate you to be the best you and to reach your loftiest goals. So spend 10 to 20 minutes before your next big organizing project listening and soaking in their words of inspiration and wisdom. Right here on M2O TV, you'll find a bunch of videos. Plus, we have blogs, social media posts, and all kinds of other things that will help you reach your goals. Watch, like, and subscribe, and get down to business because you know what? We know you can do it. Bye.